Hello everybody, this is a short video presentation of setup of a drill from Ukrainian team. One of the main epidemiological challenges in our country is African swine fever. Also, nearly half of the outbreaks occur in wild fauna. There is still the need to raise awareness on biosecurity protocol during hunting. This is the focus of our drill called Biosecurity Measures applied during wild boar carcass dressing, sampling and offal disposal at the site. It will take place at the site for carcass dressing and offal disposal in hunting ground in May 2021. We will have 12 players who are operational staff of local veterinary services and hunting ground, so-called hunting rangers, who accompany hunters during hunting, and they are responsible for implementation of biosecurity protocol. During the exercise, all the players have their roles and are responsible for demonstrating accomplishing of the task they are given. Welcome at our site. To conduct the drill, we will have two facilitators, one responsible for the site biosecurity protocol and handling the carcass, the other for sampling collection, packaging, marking and storage. Facilitators will demonstrate and instruct players at every station. If they will see the players are doing wrong, they can interview and correct the action. This is facilitators. There will also be two evaluators. They will assess how the drill is conducted and will prepare recommendation for improvement. This is our evaluators, and this is our participants. Before the drill starts, facilitators explain general principles of biosecurity of the site. The simulation begins when the car with carcasses of hunted wild boar enter the site. All the participants move from this point to the entrance of the site. The first session is to work on preparing disinfectant solution. Disinfecting the boots and donning personal protective equipment. At the next station, players will practice. In the next station, players will practice carcass receiving and dressing, sample collection, packaging and marking. Put it into the cool box and send it to the laboratory. Offal disposal and site disinfection. Exiting the site and car disinfection. After each accomplished task, players are required to evaluate a discussion how it's done. Some interactive activities are also included. For example, decision-making on the samples to be taken and sampling equipment to be used or according to recommendation for use, on choosing the better disinfectant to disinfect the site and the car. When all tasks are done, facilitators initiate the hot wash to give the participants the chance to provide the feedback. Also, the drill is focused on practicing important skills. There may be some challenges. The most critical, difference level of the player's experience. To overcome it, it will be necessary to choose participants more carefully based on their profiles, which are to be completed during preparing of the drill. It will possibly be quite difficult to follow the timeline of the drill, so it will require most facilitators' effort to manage the player. As the drill is considered to be a second day of training, it's important that the players absorb the information from the first day workshop. It will facilitate the drill. To understand the level of players' knowledge, facilitators can run a short test before the drill starts. That will help to prevent mistakes and ensure the right focus on ongoing exercise. Dear colleagues, thank you for your time for watching our video presentation. It was a very useful test.